at Habitat trying to look at some stuff to try to figure out what'll work. This is pretty big. This is nice. This is really nice. It's just missing. See that right there.
If you take this, it's a $2 donation.
Are you serious?
Just for this.
$2.
$2.
He said a $2 donation if we take this.
Well, and I'm thinking,
Oh wow.
so you could take off that. I don't know why this is so short.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't you want it to be deep like that?
Right. That's weird.
I come down there, damn, I can't even take it off.
Take what off?
Just half. I probably can fix that though, that new arm, but they got that light socket on the side.
Is that like, is that going to be an exterior side for you?
Well, I'm trying to find a way to make a linen closet in my bathroom.
Okay. Okay.
So I was either thinking cabinets that I can put on each side and do like a mini vanity, or either like that's why I was looking into these, just doing a straight across bottom and putting a countertop on it.
Okay.
That was the idea. That's why I was looking at these and that one, maybe putting it on the side because we have 54 inches to play with. So that's why that was appealing. I think those. So I just got a steal of a deal on these cabinets for the doors.
Yeah.
Didn't you say it's a bulb that we need for that thing in the garage?
Oh yeah.
That bulb?
I don't know where you got to match them.
Mm.
I ain't know exactly.
That's a towel thing? What's at Habitat? And it starts raining on us.
Interior, but it's white, satin.
What is?
The 5-gallon buckets.
It's interior, but it's satin?
Exterior, but it's satin. But I used to 50
Little handles. That's pretty cute. So, that thing huge. I might need some handles for that thing that I'm getting right there. Something different to put on them. All right, my neighbor came and we are about to get this out of here. Like, I thought he said good luck. We was like, how we gonna get this out of here? He said good luck. Look at that, y'all. $2. And these are nice. These are really nice. I had to take the doors off in order to get it in because it was not trying to. Why this one won't go down like that you just did? This thing is huge. We're taking the door jamb off in there. Hopefully we can get this in. Oh Lord. Lord, I hope this fit because he gotta take the doggone door off too. Now he's taking this frame off. That's basically what's stopping us, this little 2 inches right here. So we'll see. Yeah, if this don't fit, this the $2 cabinet, but it's solid wood and it will be perfect for a linen closet in there. So hopefully this fits. Oh gosh. We got it through the door. Please let it fit. Please let it fit. Please let it fit. Please let it fit. You gotta remember that. Renovation nightmare. So it would have cut off 3 inches of my recess light. It would have been too deep. The wall on the side where I wanted to put it was only 24. This is 25. And we took all the doors off, did all that, and I end up going with this. So this is it. And it's not flush on here, but this will be flush on the top of this. And it'll kind of look more built in when it's done. But for $15 for all these, I can't get mad. Even this, because this is solid wood. So I'll figure it out. I need space to put linen and cleaning products and all that stuff. So I have this and I have under here. But I like it. I'm going to stick with this. And it doesn't come out that far. Oh, that cabinet is must making it not close like that. It doesn't come out that far when you come in, so it still gives space. It doesn't look as cluttered, so I like the fact that it doesn't look cluttered. So we're getting ready to put this back on and then take this to the garage.